friends, this is a short video step-by-step guidance on how to use your anti-aging kit at night. If your skin has pigmentation, we have a different video on how to use that. If you have kit which contains vitamin A and AHA skin perfecting serum, this is the order. Please start from cleanser, then toner, remember to shake your toner, and then you have a derma roller. If your skin is sensitive, we recommend to use derma roller twice a week. If your skin is not very sensitive, you can do it every other day. You can start gradually, you can do first one and then after 3 days another one, but then slowly. Please, if you can use it every other day, it will be super beneficial for your skin. So derma roller you use on a clean skin. We have a separate video how to derma roll your skin. It will be included in our list. But please use derma roller. Remember to roll around your eyes. It will help a lot to all these fine lines and wrinkles to completely illuminate. And then after you did a derma roller, please apply a couple drops of AHA skin perfecting serum directly to your skin, like 4 or 5 drops, and massage it into your skin all over the face. It can also be applied around the eye from that area. Now, after that, you have a Nano Bliss eye cream, just a little bit going a long way. And please apply on top from that part of the eye and also on top of the eye. So again, do not apply AHA skin perfecting serum here, but do apply eye cream on top of the eye. When eye routine is done, please look at your skin and see if you have any active breakouts. Sometimes we can get them at this time of the month or after some stress or after some food. So if you have any breakout, let's heal them as well. You have Silk Touch Acne Stop treatment in a small container, so you can take just a little bit and apply topically on top of breakouts. After that, let's analyze your skin again and let's see if your skin is oily, combination, or just normal. If your skin is dry, here is a berry cream, super berry cream, that you can also apply after your routine, but I would recommend to give at least 15 minutes to these two products, AHA Skin Perfecting Serum, and if you're using Silk Touch as well, give them at least 15 minutes to work, and after that you can apply your berry cream and go to sleep. If you want faster results, I would say do not apply berry cream at least for the first 2 weeks, because without berry cream, these serums and solutions will work faster and they will produce new cells underneath your skin. The surface of your skin might get a little dry, but it's actually a great indicator that proves that we're creating new skin underneath. And then when your skin is dry on top, it means that we're replacing your old skin with a new skin. But after 2 weeks of using these active ingredients, you can go ahead and then apply berry cream after your AHA Skin Perfecting Serum. Now, this is the routine for the first night. Second night, when you're not using roller, there is another product, it's vitamin A. So it's again cleanser, toner, and then you want to apply vitamin A just a little bit all over your face. Again, you will apply just a little bit from that part of the eyes, not too close to the eye. Please don't put it on top. And then let vitamin A penetrate and sit on your skin at least 15 minutes. And then you can take a little bit of eye cream and then tap from down and from up around your eye. And that will be your day 2 routine. And these 2 routines you would alternate. So first day you would do AHA Skin Perfecting Serum with roller, and if needed some Silk Touch, and if needed some berry cream. But second night, when you do vitamin A, you don't need to apply super berry cream. And second night, when you do vitamin A, please do not apply berry cream. Vitamin A needs to work by itself. Now, if your skin is very dry, you can apply third night only super berry cream, and then night number 4 you can start again from roller and AHA and repeat this 3 days. Only if your skin is very dry and you feel like you lacking hydration, then make your third night hydration only, and you will do cleanser, toner, eye cream, super berry cream, and just go to sleep. I hope it helps. And if you have any questions, we are available 24/7. Please contact us. Thank you so much.